Hello student, welcome to my class. In the last class we are discussing the polynomials or cubic polynomials related problem. Now with this polynomial also we are continuing now. That's division algorithm related to the polynomials. In the division algorithm what we can say now? What is that? Let Px and Gx are polynomials where Gx should not be equal to 0. Then there exists two more polynomials. Then there exists polynomials Qx and Rx such that Px or Fx can be read also Gx into Qx plus Rx. That means in the division form we can say if Px is divided by another polynomial Gx which is not equal to 0, then suppose you are getting a polynomial Qx as the quotient and Rs as the remainder, then that relation will come. Then what will be that Rx? The conditions for Rx. Rx should be what? It can be 0. If it is 0, then we can say it is completely divisible or Gx is the factor of that one. Or, most important, either Rx to be 0, completely divisible, or degree of Rx must be less than degree of the divisor, that is Gx. This condition must be satisfied. So this rule is known as the division algorithm. Means a polynomial Px and another polynomial you are having Gx. One condition is that one, Gx not equal to 0. Then there exist two others polynomial Qx and Rx such that Px equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. Then this condition for the Rx to be Rx must be equal to 0 or degree of Rx less than the degree of Gx. If Rx becomes 0, then we can say that is the factor, or that's less than that one. So this rule to be followed, and out of these four polynomials, any three may be given, and then you can find out the fourth one. See some question if you want to do, then you will get also the idea. Just one question, question number 11, on dividing, which one is to be divided, that is known as the dividend. So in that respect also you can say dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The junior class division algorithm we do, that is the way. Now using this rule, that is Px or Fx जो बोलो is equal to Qx into Gx plus Rx. Out of these conditions, see what the things are given and which one to be find out. One question if we want to see on dividing this one, on dividing 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by a polynomial Gx. So here you can say Fx by Px, anything you can say. Gx, that's one. And then what it is given? The quotient and the remainder. So quotient means you are taking Qx equal to given, what it is given? 3x minus 5. And remainder is given, suppose that is Rx, that is equal to 9x plus 10. Our conditions. It is dividing by the gx. So degree of the gx must be greater than this degree of this one. It must be there. So from the division rule, but from division algorithm, we get, what we have taken, fx. Fx equal to qx into gx plus rx. So out of this, which one is given and which one is not given, that you can find out. Fx is given. Qx is having 3x minus 5. Gx to be find out. Plus Rx is having 9x plus 10. So this is total 9x plus 10. You can take this side first of all. So you are getting, you have to find out the gx. So first of all, you will take this one. You have taken this side, means it will be 9x minus 10 equal to 3x minus 5 into gx. So ultimately 3x cube plus x square plus 2x minus 9x. So minus 7x plus 5 minus 10 minus 5 divided by this one, if you have take this side, that is equal to gx. So this is divided by the 3x minus 5. That to be found. So by division method, by division long method, you have to do this one. Inside I am doing this one now. 3x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 5. And it is divided by 3x minus 5. First 3x and 3x cube. It will go by x square. So 3x cube minus 5x square plus x square plus 5x square becomes. So 6x square minus 7x minus 5. So again it will be what? Plus 2x minus 10x. So it will come 3x minus 5 plus 1. So ultimately this is coming. So that becomes the gx. So that's you got. Okay. So in this way we can divide and we can get that one. So that's one division we have done. And just one more question I'd like to discuss also. See the question number 10, what it is saying. If the polynomial, given polynomial is divided by another polynomial x square plus 5, then the remainder comes out to be px plus q. Find the value of p and q. So by the long division method, you have to calculate first and then you have to compare with the given remainder. Means what? A polynomial is divided by another given polynomial. When you will divide, your dividend and the divisor both must be in the arranged form. You will check first, suppose descending order of variables, means descending power of variables, x4, xq, like that one it will be. So according to the question 10, if the polynomial x4 plus 2x cube plus 8x square plus 12x plus 18 is divided by what? Divided by x square plus 5. You have the gap, no x term. So it is in the arranged form, 4, 3, 2x, like this one. Here also 2 power, then less power. So first match highest power only, x square. It will be x4 plus 5x square. Like this one. 2x cube plus 8x square minus 5x square plus 3x square plus 12x plus 18. Again plus 2x cube means you need 2x to multiply. 2x cube, 2 5 10x. Then you are getting 3x square plus 12x minus 10x means plus 2x plus 18. X square, it will go plus 3. 3 5s are 15. Two x plus 3. Now is it polynomial here? That is the remainder or not? Remainder when it can be? When the degree of that one is less than the degree of the divisor. Degree of divisor is 2. Here the degree becomes 2. So this becomes the remainder now. And according to the question, it is given that remainder equal to given px plus q. So same questions we have to check that one. Px plus q equal to 2x plus 3. So compare these two. X term coefficient 2, x term coefficient p. So therefore you can get p equal to 2 as well as 3, and there you are having the q. So what we can say? Q equal to 3. Is it okay? So in this way we can do that. So this is the complete polynomials we have done. You will do first, you will practice all the exercise, and if you get any problem then the next class we will discuss, and some others problem also. Okay? So exercise 2b to be completed. Okay? Thank you.